You taking pictures of it?
Alright, so we're building a whole new computer.
Tell what it is.
And shit, you know. So like, let's see, this is a motherboard. XFX AMD, of course. Like that. Oh shit. That's one X2. There's a random laptop there.
We'll check it out. Look at it. Show it. No.
Audio card. Right there. CD-ROM. I'm not gonna get into like the detail shit. People watching this video are gonna know anyway, so. Hard drive. 250 gigs. Windows XP, of course. We don't do Vista here. You know, Cool Master case.
Like what the fuck?
Pretty big.
Master case? It's just like saying.
It's a pretty big, a lot of space in there, so we'll be able to do a lot of shit. It's a big boy fan. That's about it. So let's get into this shit. Oh, it's a DDR.
And there's a Sony DVD burner thing, so people can think my computer is from Sony.
It's a DDR2, 2 gigabyte stick of memory. And
I worked the whole day for this.
Seriously. And like, fucking of course antivirus. You don't need that.
Why you gotta be black?
Discrimination, dude. Like all these crazy cell phones here for like no fucking reason. So yeah, record this shit. Focus.
Yeah, and we're about to build that shit. Now, like, since Diego lays down while we're building a computer for him.
It's not for me.
Lazy ass motherfucker. And it says fuck you right on it.